Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got another casting from the Jurassic World set. It's an off-road InGen vehicle. The casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2025 I guess. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the off-road InGen vehicle out of its packaging. The first thing, I think it's just a movie vehicle. It's not an actual, manufactured by some company, so it's basically a movie vehicle. It does look a lot like a Humvee. Yeah, it's a nicely detailed vehicle. Since we're on the side, I love the paint job. You still have the Jurassic World logo, and you cannot miss it. It's an off-road vehicle. It's got number 2 written here. A very open design, no doors or anything. Has got an exoskeleton kind of frame going on here. Looks nice. Wheels also look nice, especially done in black. Let's come to the front. Up front you've got some nice details. You can see you've got headlamps and auxiliary lamps, number 2. You've got both the mirrors. You've got 2 hooks in the front, and it's a roadster. I think it's might be an electric vehicle because you see there's no engine or anything. No. Coming to the passenger side, it looks almost identical as the driver's side. You can see this shape, you can notice. Most of the details are in, like when I show you from the top, most of the details are there. But let's go to the back. Again, good details in the back. You can see you've got detailed tail lamp, 2 hooks again. I don't know if those are exhaust or something else. I don't know. Now, the top, this is where you see a lot of details, like inside the vehicle. Like if you see in the back here, you can see there's a chainsaw, there's a duffel bag, and some more tools and gloves, I think, inside. And you can see this exoskeleton kind of roof, or the roof here. It is a 4-seater vehicle. You can see there are 4 seats, and you can see the steering wheel and everything right there. So yeah, a lot of like minor details there, which if you look closely, only then you can see. I like the overall concept of this vehicle. Looks good. Yeah, looks like a modern iteration of Humvee to me. I don't know much about this one. I haven't watched the movie either, so if you know about this one, do leave a comment. Should you get this one? Oh yeah, absolutely. It looks good, and it's a perfect part of the Jurassic World set. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.